Hey everyone, Mr. Homer here, and I'm probably going to be absent for a couple of days anyway. So I thought that I would give you guys a quick little directions on today's lesson, the summary response letter. This is the final draft. So if you guys will follow along with me, let me share my screen. If you start with the home page, this is the second period homepage, but it should look the same on everybody's page. You'll notice we have Wednesday, 9/8/21. Here's the back to school night link. Tonight is back to school night. And so if you click on that, then that will be a Zoom link. I'll already be in the meeting. And so your parents just need to click on at the right time. All right. And hopefully as many of them can attend as possible. All right. So going back to today's lesson, assignment ERWC 1 summary and response letter. Now remember, you've already done the bulk of the work on this, and now we're copying, pasting what you already have done onto this document. You're going to edit it with a friend, then you're going to spell and grammar check it, make any last little improvements that you can make, and then you're going to turn it in. So if you click on that, it says open the document and follow all directions. So click on the paper clip, click on the document, and here we are. ERWC 1 summary response letter. Remember, this is a letter that you are writing to Mr. McBride. So you start with the salutation, dear Mr. McBride, or just Mr. McBride, and then write it as if you're writing a letter to him. All right, let's look at the directions together. In the space below, you will copy and paste your activity 15A summary in the first paragraph, followed by your 1 to 2 paragraph activity 15B response in the following paragraphs. The activity 15A summaries have been returned to you in Canvas. So I returned those to everybody yesterday. So look in your Canvas, you should find it. Okay, number 2, next, you and a partner will evaluate each other's letters according to the activity 20 rubric on page 16 of most booklets. Let me quickly share with you where that is. If you were to look into the ERWC booklets, turn to page 16 in most of the booklets. I know some of you have older booklets and the page number might be different, but you have this rubric. So you and a partner will evaluate each other's papers. You'll be reading it off their screen, but you can mark the little checks and all that stuff in these boxes over here. So what's most important about that, though, is afterwards is the discussion. You discuss each one of those areas for the papers, and that gives the person a chance to do any final types of improvements that they can do before they turn it in. And that is to be done in the booklet. Okay, now, direction 3. Once you are finished discussing your letters, spell and grammar check them and make final edits before submitting your final draft. Don't forget that finishing up stuff. That could be the difference between a lower grade and a higher grade, is that fit and finish at the end. Okay, direction number 4, this is due Friday, 9/10/21 at 11:59 p.m. The late window will extend until Monday, 9/13/21 at 11:59 p.m. If you've been keeping up with your work, most of you will be able to submit it in class today. If you have not been keeping up with your work, then you have a little bit of time to get caught up. Now remember to write your essay in the space below. So click under this line, and I would click a couple of spaces under it, and don't forget to indent before you write your salutation, dear Mr. McBride, comma. Okay, guys. Those are the instructions. And guys, like I said, it looks like I'm going to be out for at least a couple of days. I don't know exactly how long. And so remember, check Canvas every day. I'll do my best to provide good stuff, good instruction, easy to figure out instruction from here. But you guys can always email me if you're struggling with something. But remember, everything is fixable when I get back. So do your best and don't stress. All right. See you guys.